Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger isn't responding. So if you're having a problem with your Messenger app, I'll be showing you how to fix it and make it start responding. The first thing you will need to do is go into Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Messenger, as you want to check if your app is up to date. If it is up to date, you can close out of this, but if it isn't up to date, I would recommend that you update it. The next thing that I want you to check is also if your Facebook app is up to date. If it isn't, I recommend that you update it. Once you have done that, you're going to close out of Play Store. Then you're going to go into Settings, and in Settings you're going to scroll down and select Apps. After selecting apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner, and you are going to search for Messenger. After that, you are going to tap on Messenger. Then you are going to scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. Next, you are going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. Then you'll tap on OK. After that, you are going to go back, and you're going to tap on the search icon again, and you're going to search for Facebook. And once you have selected Facebook, you're going to tap on Storage and tap on Clear Data again, then tap on OK. After doing that, you're going to close out of apps, and now you should be able to open Messenger and it should be responding. Hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.